If you love ordering chicken fried rice, but it always turns out a little disappointing, dry chicken, sticky clumps of rice, and way too greasy, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you a few simple Chinese cooking techniques that will completely transform your homemade chicken fried rice. With juicy, tender chicken and light, fluffy restaurant-style rice every single time. Everyone says you need day-old rice, but I prefer fresh. With a few simple tips, it gives a brighter, fresher aroma. Rinse the rice 3 to 4 times until the water runs clear to remove excess starch and prevent stickiness. Use about 10% less water than usual when cooking. Once it's done, spread the rice out on a tray to cool, or chill it in the fridge for 30 minutes. This helps remove extra moisture so it fries up perfectly dry and light. Now for the chicken. Don't just toss it straight in. To get that super tender, juicy texture like in restaurant, you need to velvet it first. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces, just slightly bigger than a peanut. Keep them small so the rice stays the star. Pieces that are big can throw off the balance. Season with white pepper, soy sauce, and cooking wine. Mix well until the chicken absorbs all the seasoning. The first key step for tenderness. Add water in 2 batches. Mixing well each time until the chicken fully absorbs it. This locks in extra moisture. Second key step, add cornstarch. It coats the chicken like a thin protective layer, almost like a waterproof jacket, keeping all those juices inside during high heat cooking. Mix until no dry powder remains, then drizzle in a little oil. This keeps the surface from drying out while it marinates. The chicken should look slightly sticky and moist. Prepare your eggs, vegetables, and chopped green onions. I'm using mixed vegetables. Just boil them for about 5 minutes, super easy. Heat a little oil in the wok. Add the chicken and stir fry quickly until it's about 80% done. Don't overcook here, it'll finish later. Splash in a bit more soy sauce, stir quickly until it's absorbed, then set aside. Now add a bit more oil and turn the heat to medium-high. Another key to great fried rice is high heat. If you are not sure, drop a chopstick in. If tiny bubbles form around it immediately, it's ready. Add the eggs. No need to beat them. Use your spatula to gently swirl them. This way, you get nice pockets of both yolk and white for different textures and that rich egg flavor. When the eggs start bubbling, add the rice. Stir fry so the rice soaks up all that rich egg aroma. Use a press and turn motion to break up the rice and toss it. Give every grain a chance to hit the hot bottom. Be patient and keep tossing until the rice starts jumping in the pan. That's when you know it's dry, fluffy, and has that awesome wok hay. Toss the chicken and veggies back in. Stir for 10 seconds. Then lower the heat to season. Keep it simple, just a little salt and white pepper. I also like to drizzle some soy sauce along the edge of the wok for extra aroma. Turn the heat back up and stir fry for another 5 to 10 seconds. Finish with chopped green onions and give it a quick toss. And there you have it. Juicy, tender chicken, light and fluffy rice bursting with rich egg flavor. This simple chicken fried rice comes with a lot of little tips, but follow them and you'll make something way better than takeout right at home. Give it a try tonight. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.